Akoriokole dolete ilukumini unike da kwata kaisa kanyara luni kesda ipisto saum Ottomano district angoni loda Amudat ida polona icholongolo Amudat B Farmers Association nyesde balebe Eitolomete kwan kese sikela au ngoni la jokan akalo nadum na itutuonoro Ottomano ipone la idarao.
Farmers have been being engaged in trainings. We had several trainings about farmers, how you handle honey, the honey seasons, because sometimes we didn't know about honey season so much. But now through these continuous trainings, we are even able to know that such and such a time is honey season, and we know how to stock, and we have known how to store.
Idolema pita kaulu kizde wanyu tosi chani kede sike loda lemi Eitolomete kesi lode bakebe mama jokom itone keso koni mama raila chai.
We farmers, we had a lot of challenges. First of all, the production rate of honey was very low. But since they came in and brought in various types of beehives, the long stoves and these other types which were more than a bit, the honey production has increased. To the extent now we are harvesting to a close of 2-3 tons per farmer. Formerly, we used to sell our honey in the price was very small.
The honey which was going to Kenya was good honey. It was fetching low money. A kilo would go between 3,000 to 4,000. And when it reached Kenya, the honey was losing their modern identity. They named it West Pokot and the honey come from Amudat.
Ide pita kawulu kesda yala masebe ekam kesa rengu nada ipolonwe narakora kin kesito ni boro lude tosomaite kesi anoda episiau nepeka idaria Esike ngoni la jokan.
Dinu has been able to bring for us beehives. It has been able to give us the honey processing unit where we have all the equipment. It has also been able to provide for us the honey harvesting equipment, the smokers, the overalls for harvesting honey, all those honey tools.
There is no honey in Amudat that now goes for 4,000. Even the farmer in the village is selling now at 7,000. Whether you get the farmer as an individual or as a group, they sell to you a kilo at 7,000.
Ide pita kaulu keskwa nade jamun aitanyanyare project la ulo ito na rauni bore yene pol mera Eitolome Esike bon.
Our vision for this project is to have our farmers process all the hive products, not only honey. There are other hive products like wax, propolis, royal jelly. You can have candles. You can have many other projects, even products, even cream for ladies. We are hoping to organize them into a producer cooperative society that can produce their honey, market their honey themselves under the umbrella of Amudat.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Amudat.